Hello everyone, I hope that you're all doing well. This is me Sayyid. Welcome to T1 Academy. Today we will be discussing the most important current affairs. Okay, the first topic that we have got in the news is with regard to tribunal. Okay, we are having this in the news. Let us discuss some important points with regard to this. What are tribunals? These are important. What are tribunals? Once we are aware of this, so you can directly get through the meaning of that particular column that is published in the Hindu newspaper. So you know that we get justice. We get justice from if any person try to violate your right. I mean, like if you want to enter into a restaurant but he is not allowing you. Why? Because restaurants are free from any caste, any creed, any religions, but he is not allowing you. So you can file a complaint against him. So when anybody violate your right, okay, you have to get justice. Moreover, okay, if the government also violate your right, does not allow you to appear for UPSC, okay, even though you are a graduate and 21 years of old, but still you did not get the hall ticket. In that case also, your right to appear for the examination has been violated. Right or wrong? Yes. So in this case also, you have to get justice. Okay. So if any person violates your rights, if a government also violate your right, you have to get justice or not? Yes. Who will give the justice in our country? Justice is given by courts. And you are having the highest court in our country is Supreme Court. At the state levels, we are having High Court. Every state has their own High Court. And the highest court that we are having in our country is Supreme Court. Right. This is the justice delivery mechanism. But these courts are very less in number, but the number of cases are continuously increasing. That's why in order to speedy discharge of cases of a particular kind, cases of a particular matter, which has to be disposed of very early, Government of India has also established what? Okay, through the Parliamentary Act, we have got tribunals. Now you might have understood tribunals are what? Alternative dispute regulatory bodies. Okay, other than the normal courts, like high courts and Supreme Courts. Fine. Tribunals are alternative because we are not getting the justice from High Court and the Supreme Court or normal courts, right? So we are getting from other body. Okay, so alternative dispute resolution mechanism. These are our tribunals. One more important point you have to understand, my dear students. Tribunals are not a part of our original constitution. Though Supreme Court and High Court are mentioned in the constitution, these are not mentioned in the constitution. Original constitution, tribunals are absent. Tribunals were added in our constitution by 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act, CAA, Constitutional Amendment Act, in the year 1976. 4 plus 2 is 6. Remember like this. So tribunals were added in our constitution by 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act in the year 1976. And tribunals generally take care of, okay, one particular kind of matter. Some tribunal will work only for income tax related disputes. Some tribunal will work only for labor disputes. Some tribunal will work only for what? Banking related disputes, etc. So tribunal generally are established to solve a particular matters. They generally don't perform what? They don't perform generalized functions. Okay, they are of a particular kind. For example, we are having NGT, National Green Tribunal. Okay, what does it do? If any development project is harming the environment or not, they will only decide. Income tax appellate tribunal is there. If suppose government taxes you more, but you say that government should not tax you that much. You feel that government should not tax you that much, but still government has taxed you more and has sent you the notice to pay this much 1 crore rupees. In that case also, you can go to income tax appellate tribunal. Like that, we are having tribunals for a separate kind. This is all about tribunals. Okay, so what is the news? News is all about, okay, tribunal appointments being taken lightly. Supreme Court, our Chief Justice of India, okay, N.V. Ramana, Honorable Chief Justice of India, N.V. Ramana, he has commented on the center, because who should appoint the judges of the tribunal? Judges of the tribunals are appointed by the government, central government. Central government will appoint. Okay, so but our Chief Justice of India, Honorable Chief Justice of India, Ramana, he said that they are getting many cases. They are getting many cases. Okay, that actually have to be disposed by what? Tribunals. Okay, they are getting many cases that actually has to be disposed by tribunals. And what is the problem then? Why they are getting the cases when already tribunals are there? Then the Chief Justice of India has said that because of lot of vacancies are there in tribunal, and central government is very lazy and lethargic to appoint the people in the tribunal. That's why they are getting what? More cases. Okay, so it's all about what? Appointments. It's all about what? Appointments. Government of India is not, central government is not appointing the judges of these tribunals. Okay, you can say that. Okay, that is what is all about. And Attorney General K.K. Venugopal, very important. Please remember his name. Okay, it can ask you, it can be a part of your MCQs also. Who is the current Attorney General of our country? K.K. Venugopal. Okay, he said that, sir, it's not like that. I will provide the list of vacancies in the tribunals. However, the court scheduled a hearing in 2 weeks. Okay, so he said that, okay, so no, it's not like that. We are appointing regularly, we are appointing the tribunals. It's not like that. He has just defended the central government, right? This is all about it. Now, so T323 deals with matters of administration, okay, and 323B deals with other matters. Okay, other matters related to what? Labor reforms, related to what? Income tax, etc., so and so forth. So there are two important articles are there that deals with tribunals in our constitution. It is inserted by 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. Fine, that is all is about it. Now, recently, to reform the tribunal reform bill has been introduced, okay, and passed in the parliament in August 2021. This tribunal reform bill, ordinance bill, this is what? Ordinance bill means. It is after ordinance was given, it has been passed. Okay, then this, with the help of this bill, okay, Government of India has amended Financial Act of 2017. Financial Act of 2017 they have, and with the help of this amendment, what they have done, they have dissolved many appellate tribunals. According to the central government, there are n number of tribunals are working for different purposes. So they did not like it. Central government did not like it, and they wanted to dissolve many of them. And with the help of this amendment, they have dissolved what? They have dissolved Appellate Airport Authority of Appellate Tribunal of Trademark Act, and Appellate Tribunal of Film Certification. Like that, many are there. Okay, many 6 to 7 tribunals has been dissolved with the help of that amendment. This is all about tribunals. Now we'll go to our next topic, that is Medaram Jatara. Medaram Jatara is very close to Telangana traditions, very close to us. It has now turned this Medaram, this particular tiny village in the Mulugu district. Tiny village in the Mulugu district has turned into a sea of what? Humanity. Okay, people from Andhra Pradesh, people from Chhattisgarh are also visiting this particular Jatara. Not only these two states, many from many other state tribals are coming, and various other peoples are also coming to witness this, the largest tribal festivals, of our country. And Asia also, it is one of the biggest. In Asia also one of the biggest. Fine. This particular festival is, the tribal festival is held biennial. Means once in 2 years. Okay, why do we celebrate this festival? This is important. Okay, because Sammakka and Sarallama, they are mother and daughter, and they also have one son, that is Jampanna. Okay, so Jampanna and Sammakka Sarallama, they both have what, and along with the husband also, along with the father also, they have actually rebelled the mighty Kakatiya forces. Okay, when the Kakatiya Empire and the ruler has imposed what? Taxes on them, taxes on tribal. Okay, you can see that. So this Sammakka Sarallama, the duo, has fought valiantly against the reigning rulers for levying taxes on the tribals during that. They lost their life. Okay, now what happens is, this Sammakka Sarallama, they have went into the forest and they have never come back. They have never come back. That is the reason what generally do in this particular festival, the priest will go to the forest and bring a idol of goddesses Sammakka. Okay, this goddesses of idol of Sammakka and Sarallama, and they will put into the Medaram village on a altar called as Gaddelu. On a altar called as Gaddelu, they will keep, and every person will go and worship them. Okay, before worshipping, there was also a story with regard to this Jampanna Vagu. Okay, the son of this Sarakka. Okay, so she and he also was murdered by the Kakatiya rulers. Okay, and he was thrown in the river called as Jampanna Vagu. That's why he was thrown in a river, and from that river only he took his name, Jampanna Vagu. So one who want to worship this particular goddesses, then they have to first of all take a dip in that holy river of Jampanna Vagu, which is also a tributary of what? Godavari. Tributary of Godavari. Once they take the holy dip there, because he has also lost life there, his blood is also there in the river. That is also a kind of like holiness, that divinity may come. So take a dip, then go to the go to the goddesses, and you can worship at that time. Okay, so it is a 2 days festival. It is a 2 days festival. Remember this point here. Okay, fine. So this is our next topic. Then we'll go our another topic, that is Mega Integrated Textile Region and Apparel Park. Mega integrated textile means what? So a place will be there. Park means a place. Apparel park. Park means a place will be there. Integrated means what? Textile means button factory will be here. Okay, yarn factory will be here. Here stitching factory will be here. Okay, dyeing factory will be here. Branding factory will be here. Means a place where you are having all the necessities that is required to make a apparel at one place. Everything will be there at one place. Okay, that is called as what? Integrated. Mega means a bigger area. Apparel means, you know, that's what I am wearing is also apparel. It is also called as, in short form, PM Mitra. Okay. This particular mission was inspired, program was inspired by 5F vision of Honorable Prime Minister. Farm to fiber, fiber to factory, factory to fashion, fashion to foreign. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from farm means the farmer should give what? Cotton. Farm to fiber, cotton should be rolled into what? Yarn. Then yarn will be taken to the factory. From factory, the new shirts will be printed, and according to the fashion we'll do it, and we'll also give what? Foreign means we'll also export. Means farm to foreign countries. World class industrial infrastructure would be given to this particular area. World class. Whatever the best infrastructure is given, best machines are there, best way of branding is there, best way of dyeing is there. Everywhere in the world, whatever the world class infrastructure is there, that will be put under this particular park. Okay, with the help of this park, it is we are going to generate. The government said that 1 lakh direct employment, 2 lakh indirect employment. Direct employment is nothing but the person who actually engages in this particular area, actually get employment in this particular area. Indirect means logistic support. Logistic support means which is not required here, but it is important for the supply chain. So that is indirect employment. 2 lakh indirect employment, 1 lakh direct employment. Fine. And the last one we are having of today's discussion is what? Defense Expo. Expo is nothing but exhibition. Expo is nothing but exposition. It is being held in Gujarat. It is a Defense Expo. Here, almost like participation of more than 1,000 companies, including over 100 foreign companies from 55 plus countries are coming. 55 plus countries are participating in this Defense Expo. It is in Gujarat. Started in the year 1996. This year we are having in Gujarat. So in this particular exhibition, you can see Larsen and Torbro Defense means they will display their missiles, they will display their designs, etc. Okay, and you are having many companies who will say that we will create this kind of, these are all what? Prototypes. These are all what? Prototypes. So the countries will come to this Defense Expo and they may give order to L&T. L&T designs they will see, the bomb designs they will see, the aircraft designs they will see, the missile design they will see. They'll see after doing seeing all of that, India may give a tender to L&T and say that okay, I want 1,000 missiles. Okay, so it is an exhibition. Exhibition means you will show your strength so that people should buy from you, right or wrong? What is exhibition? You will show your strength, whatever you are having the best you will show and people will buy. That is only called as exhibition. So here many countries, many companies have come, okay, and they are showing their capabilities, that what they can make. Okay, according to their capabilities, we can give them orders. This is all about today's news. Thanks a lot for listening to me. Bye bye. Take care.